Hey, what up, man? Hey, you got a second?
Huh?
Is this William Lassiter?
Yeah, who's calling?
Hey, man, this Tron.
Who?
Tron, man. Hey, man to man, I just need to holler at you for 2 seconds, man.
About who?
You know that little, the young girl you fucking, yo, that's my fiance, dude.
Who you talking about?
And I want to tell you like a man, we both got the virus, nigga. We both got HIV, nigga.
Who you talking about?
Nigga, my bitch, you fucking nigga, we all got it, nigga. I'm hurt right now, nigga, because she just told me. She told me she was riding in your Lexus, nigga. She told me you got a bald spot in the back.
Who you talking about?
We're on the right side, nigga. I know it's you. She said, William Lassiter, nigga. It's Tron, nigga. I'll meet you at the Big Lots right now and put a bullet in your big ass, your big stupid ass, nigga. How you gonna fuck my fiance, nigga?
Who's your fiance?
Nigga, the bitch you fucking, nigga. The one you fucking, nigga. You got my little girl in here to see her daddy cry because you fucking her mama, nigga. I just don't know what to say about niggas no more.
Who are you talking about?
Who you fucking, man? You fucking my girl, nigga.
Nigga, I don't know who you talking. Nigga, I don't know who you talking about. I don't know you.
You do know me, nigga. This Tron, nigga. You saw me at the food line when you winked at my bitch.
The food line? What the fuck are you talking about?
Nigga, the food line when you winked at my bitch named Keisha. She told me she was riding in your Lexus and she ain't want to ride in the Honda no more because it didn't ride like a Lexus, nigga. I know it's you. I'm gonna get this bitch retarded off me ass when I see you, nigga.
Man, fuck you, nigga. I don't know what the fuck you talking about. Nigga, I got like 20 guns. Alright, so...
You dumbass nigga. I got 40 guns, nigga, and I'm gonna put that heat to you, nigga. Where you at, nigga? You can be fighting, you fake-ass police, nigga. She told me about this shit, nigga. She told me you used to work for the Bureau, nigga. Fuck you and the Bureau, you lame-ass nigga.
You talking a bunch of shit.
Where you gonna be at, little boy?
You talking a lot of shit, nigga. Hey, listen, you wasting my motherfucking phone bill, nigga. I mean, you ain't giving me no Keisha. I don't know no motherfucking Keisha. I mean, if I knew, I would fuck her. But you know what? It's all good. Whatever the fuck you talking about, man.
Got the AIDS, nigga. Me, you and the bitch. Yeah, you gonna die, nigga. You gonna die and your dick gonna shrivel up, nigga. What? What time you work, nigga? In the morning. Where you work at, nigga? What time you
blah, nigga. Blah, blah, blah. All this shit you talking, you still ain't getting Keisha. Who the fuck Keisha who? Nigga, I don't know no motherfucking Keisha.
Stupid body ass motherfucker, nigga. You know who I'm talking about, nigga. Meet me at the food line the same way you saw my bitch at, nigga.
Nigga, what fucking food line, bitch? What fucking food line? You hear me, bitch? That bitch ass nigga. I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
Nigga, hold the fuck up, nigga. Hold the fuck up, nigga.
Nigga. Yeah.
Nigga, meet me at the food line, bitch. Meet me at the food line. On one fucking notch, nigga. And I'm gonna put you and that motherfucking itty bitty ass Lexus, you 6'2" ass nigga, and the motherfucking Lexus. Yeah. Fuck you, nigga.
Yeah, okay. Alright, man. Go suck your own dick and leave me the fuck alone. Nigga, do whatever you got to do. Alright? First of all, you don't know me, motherfucker. I'm telling you that first, you don't know me. Second of all, I'm the nigga, as soon as I get to a motherfucking phone, I'm a motherfucking research this number. Nigga, you don't know me. I'm a motherfucking cop, too. Man, I don't know who the fuck you threatening. Alright, so I'm just letting... Alright, got you. Got you.
You got your last motherfucking check, nigga. We all know you fucking perpetrating the fire. You fake ass, army ass, reserve ass, National Guard ass.
What?
Ass, nigga.
What? What?
Nigga. She told me I should be buying girlfriend Lexus too, nigga. I'm fucking your life up, nigga. Everything. You better not fuck your car and your shit in dog, nigga, or I'm leaving it on bricks, bitch.
Hey, how about this, bitch? I'm about to look your shit up, because I'm recording this conversation, and then after that, alright, if I don't pop you my motherfucking self, I'm gonna make sure your ass goes straight to fucking jail. How about that shit? You got it? Alright? So keep on talking. Okay.
Why you scared, nigga?
Ooh, line, nigga. I don't even know what the fuck you talking about. Nigga, like I said, you got the wrong one. Nigga, oh, hey, man. Listen. First of all, if I'm fucking your bitch, that means you ain't man enough to fuck her yourself. Alright? So, problem. Alright? Maybe if you grew some more dick, maybe if you grew a little bit more dick, you wouldn't have to worry about all that shit. Alright? So, alright, nigga. Hey, have a good day, nigga. Have a good day. Alright? You know, go find some pussy you can keep.
Fucking your sister in a boat, bitch.